If you're battling drain flies, you know those persistent little moth flies, you know how troublesome they can be. But don't worry, as a pest inspector who's seen more drain fly issues than I'd care to admit, I'm here to share 5 unconventional tips that can make your drain fly battle a winning one. First up is to use sticky traps directly over the drains. Ever thought about turning your drains into fly traps? Place sticky traps directly over the tops of the drains. Why? Because these flies often rest near the opening or venture out for a quick lap around the bathroom, only to find themselves stuck. It's a simple, effective way to see how active the drain is and put a dent in the fly population at the source. Next, watch for larvae in the shower. Drain flies have a life cycle that thrives on moisture, so keeping an eye out for their larvae is essential. Next time you're in the shower, glance at the floor, the grout, the edges. Drainfly larvae can look like tiny worm-like creatures with dark heads, typically wriggling in film-like areas. Why this matters is because eliminating larvae before they're airborne means you're breaking their life cycle early. Third up is to set sticky traps on the bathroom and kitchen floors and windowsills. Don't underestimate where these flies might congregate. Placing sticky traps on the bathroom and kitchen floors or even windowsills can reveal unexpected hotspots. The flies will accidentally get caught on the sticky trap, which will serve as an ongoing bug audit for future infestations. Fourth up is to flush drains with boiling water regularly. A simple but effective tactic is regularly flushing drains with boiling water or using a steamer can help wash away eggs and larvae. It's an old school method that doesn't get the love it deserves. Pair this with a mild enzyme cleaner, you'll get an even deeper cleanse within your drains. Next up is check your bathroom mats and liners. Drain flies love overlooked spots. Lift up those non-slip mats and shower liners to inspect for larvae and signs of moisture. You might be surprised at what's hiding underneath. Let these areas dry out completely to reduce the breeding grounds for the flies. Understanding the drainfly life cycle is an important step in getting rid of them. Drainflies, also known as moth flies, have a life cycle that revolves around moist organic matter. Their life cycle includes 4 main stages: egg, larvae, pupae, and adult. The larvae stage is where most of the action happens, and it happens right inside the drain. These larvae can spend up to 10 to 14 days feeding on organic sludge within the pipes and cracks before they pupate and transition to adults. We know that drain flies can cause stress and anxiety. Drain flies are more than just an annoyance. They can genuinely add to household stress and anxiety. Their persistent presence can make you feel like your home is unsanitary even when you're diligent about cleanliness. The sight of these small flying bugs landing on things can evoke feelings of frustration and helplessness, especially when conventional methods don't seem to be working. So, the quick multiplication of drain flies can make it seem like the issue is spiraling out of control. Plus, their ability to appear in different parts of the home can make you constantly on edge, checking for new signs of activity everywhere. Understanding their habits and taking proactive measures that we mentioned in this video can help you catch some drain flies and see how bad your issue is. Be sure to check out our other video on how to get rid of drain flies.